Hello guys, welcome to Joseph IT, your technology entertainer. Today I'll be showing you how to create genuine backlink for your YouTube videos and make them rank faster. So first of all, I'm on masspinks.com and this creates genuine backlinks for your video, for your YouTube video. So now, as you can see, I'm on my video manager on YouTube and I'm just willing to make backlinks for this video, and which is why I'm just simply going to play it on another tab, and I'm just copying the URL and pasting it to there. And for the ease of your access, I'm just showing you this there. Remember, what you have to use, you just have to take these writings. You don't have to copy all the URL. You just have to take the writings after the equal sign. Okay, so I'm just taking this code. This is your video ID, and then simply pasting it there. YouTube video ID. Okay, and now simply type the keywords your channel and your video is all about. Now I'm typing online tutorial how to, etc. Okay, fine, I'm just using 3. And now the most important part is the number of backlinks. There are 4 options: 50, 100, 500 and 1000 plus. So what I always do, I always try to choose between 50 and 100. You can also choose 500 and 1000, but which I recommend, please do not use 2 more numbers, because if you choose more than 1000 always, it may be counted as spamming to Google and YouTube. So always try to be formal. Okay, I'm just choosing 50 and clicking on start backlinking. After doing this, please don't close the window. You'll be able to see the links that are created and pinged on other websites of your video. So as you can see, it is pinged one by one, and the numbers you can see on the left side. And as I have chosen 50, this will end when it is 50. And as you can see, it is increasing. And if I show you whether it is working or not, if I click on a link, suppose in the link 3, I'm just clicking on it, whether it works or not. It is now in another website, and as you can see the name of my video, and okay, it is working. And as you can see that the links are created by this website is 100% working on the other website, and it is really pinged. And this is how I always backlink my videos with mass pings and rank my videos faster. Hope you really found this video useful, and if you have any question or query, don't hesitate to comment below for the answers. Hope to see you in my next video tutorial, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.